Welcome to Android TV Box. In this tutorial I'm going to show you the many features of the Android box. Obviously we all know what it's capable of, but on this tutorial especially I'm just going to run through the necessary features and the main functions and how it does actually turn your TV into a smart TV. So we're going to start by clicking on the app sections. If you notice these 6 squares here, if you just click on that, it will take you to all the rest of your apps, and you can see them there. You are able to access the internet, for example, using Chrome. So we just click on there. If we go to our, I'll say no thanks, obviously, and if we go to our searching browser, and we could type in a particular site. We're going to use our website for an example. So it's www.androidtvbox2.co.uk, and this is probably one of the good reasons to have one of the keyboard and mouse controllers. I'm actually just using a mouse at the moment, although this device does have an on-screen keyboard. It's still pretty handy if you want to get the one that's all in one. So Android, obviously you can see it's a lot quicker to have a keyboard, but anyway, TV box, two dot co dot oops look at that dot UK. So just quick check. Oops, bad camera skills. Okay, so we're just going to check this website out, and you click the go button. So this is pretty handy, especially if you've got a few kids, can never seem to get the computer, always seems to be occupied, and you just want to quickly check something online. There's your answer right there. You can just use this device to access the internet. So that's just one example I can show you, just to show you that it works perfectly fine. So we are able to come out of there. And also another feature is, of course, the apps that you can get from the Google Apps, if I can find it. So it should be here. Oh, there it is. Google Play Store. So of course you need to set up an account if you haven't already got one. If you haven't got one, then you would create one, but I'm going to use my existing account if I can remember it. So it's Android TV box 296, and I will skip through this, so I'll probably cut it just to show you the first part of it, but I'm going to cut it and skip to the next bit. Okay, so I'm going to just quickly cut it now. Okay, we're back again. So once you put in your username and passwords, you can then just be careful what it says. Just read through it. If you want it, then click on yes or no. Press the wrong button, so accept. Okay, and this will take you to the Google Apps. You get tons and tons of free apps on here. So if you're looking for anything particular, you can find it on here. I don't know, let's just do a quick search. For example, if I wanted a video player or a video player, there you go. So it's a quick search, and this will show you all the different video players on there, and it's just a case of clicking it and then install. Press install. Once it's installed, of course that new app will appear here in your apps area. Okay, and just to show you something else, if you want to, if you're unfamiliar with Android platform, the operating system, then you should know that you can move around your apps anywhere you feel necessary. So you just hold on to the left button, you can bring it onto your main desktop, or if you don't fancy it on your desktop, you can slide it across multiple times and put it wherever you feel necessary. Maybe it's probably good if you want to hide it from kids, just to let you know. And if you are unhappy with it or wish to remove it, you just simply hold it again and bring it up to the top here where it says remove, and it's disappeared. It's nice and simple for you. And I'm just going to quickly show you how to uninstall an app if you no longer want it on your system. You just go back, you click on the settings. If your settings is not on your desktop, you go to your apps where your apps are, and the settings should be here as well. So you go to settings, scroll down to where it says apps, click on the apps, and all the apps you've installed. Obviously I haven't installed a lot at the moment, but all the apps that you've installed will be displayed here, and there's other options on there. You can even get rid of the ones on your SD card or the ones that are running at the moment. I wouldn't really play with it, but if you know what you're doing, you can go up to here and get the all, click on all at the top here. So we're just going to go to the ones that are downloaded. We click on this app, and of course if you wish to uninstall it, you just scroll down. Oops, it's right at the top here, sorry. So you just click uninstall. It will ask you if you want to do it, but we don't want to do that at the moment, this moment in time. So I'm just going to click cancel, and that's how you uninstall all your apps from this device. So it's an excellent device. If you can't afford it like me and you can't buy a TV that's got the smart TV functions already built in, this is definitely the answer for you. We'll obviously, if I get some questions back from you guys, I will answer your questions if you're stuck or you want to know a little bit more about your device. Another quick handy thing before I go, if you've got sometimes you might want to keep a window open and come back to it, or close it. So if you click on this button, this will tell you all the stuff that you've got open at this moment in time. It kind of stores it just in case you want to go back, so it makes it a lot quicker. If you for whatever reason want to get rid of one of these that you've kept open, you just hold the left button and then click remove from list, and this will actually delete it. So it'll just be like starting from fresh. If you were to click back on the app, it would load it from beginning once again. So it's a good way to get rid of something that, if you download something that's not a good, it's not being made professionally, for example an app, and it freezes, or it's got loads of foreign languages on there and you want to get rid of it, it's causing problems for your device. This is a good way to bypass it and get around any freezing of your device. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for now. Obviously everything else is self-explanatory. This is how you would switch it off. Once I would recommend this is how you switch it off. If yours does have an off button, use this to switch it off at all times. So do you want to shut down? Yes we do, because this is the end of the tutorial, and that will be it for now. Goodbye.